GM everyone, welcome to a quick market update. Gonna keep it really simple and really short because inside yesterday's investing analysis, we have already discussed lots of good stuff related to Bitcoin bottoms, how this can lead to higher prices in the very near term. Make sure to go and watch it out if you have not checked it yet. So let's get into the shorter term stuff first. Gold will be looking its reaction on Monday opening. 45.53 is an area to watch out. Below it simply is a chop, right? I do have some short term trade or buys on your specific altcoins. Hype, you can see it's bearish, making lower lows and lower highs, sweeping the lows and going back to fill the imbalance and then continuing its trend. So you can find some short term trades either from this specific zone to target this low or from this area, right? So keep a track of it. I'll be trading this inside my Twitter. As for higher time frame, you can see the update is already available inside my Twitter. Go and check it out yourself. Specifically for Bitcoin, we do have some great massive support at 66,000. I do have some limit long orders at 66,000 and we'll be targeting this specific imbalance on 1 hour. This is my shorter term trade on Bitcoin. I have limit long orders at the value area low with the stops below the specific low, right? I'll be trading this if it comes down and hits your value area low. We'll see a sharp reaction from this specific zone. So keep eyes on it. I'll be monitoring it, watching it really carefully. Oil is going higher. We'll be seeing its reaction. The future markets is open, but we'll see its reaction at the CME open today, right? Specifically for Ethereum, we do have some shorter term trades. You can see it's moving like absolute piece of a shit. What kind of price action is this, right? But you can see on higher time frame, it's just inside its value area where it's rejected from its value area high and then goes and takes some support from the either from the point of interest or from the value area low. So 1975 or 1980, this specific point of interest is the first area from where you can expect some massive support from the price if it reaches at this specific zone, right? So for now, it's not tradable for me. The RR from here, longs, all of course, I would avoid at this moment because the RR is not that much good. If it comes drops towards this area, you can expect some initial bounce from the price, some medium term or mid term or scalp long opportunities you can expect from this specific zone. As far it's above its value area, you can expect higher prices, right? So let's get into the medium term stuff, right? Short term holder spin out profit loss ratio. We had discussed this indicator in one of our investing analysis. Let it go and get back at the neutral zone. This is gonna make some bottom very soon, but have to give it a bit more time. Similarly, sell side risk ratio, you can see it has a win rate of 80 to 90%. Whenever this matrix has its such lowest levels, this indicated the beginning of bottoms, except of this one, right? Only rather, this one also resulted in bottoms, but this one you can see this resulted in initial down move and then bottom, but otherwise, all of the times this indicated great bottom or higher prices from this specific low level, right? So keep an eye on it. It's at its lowest levels, indicating that we can run into a bottom really very soon, which collides with our initial buys that we made inside yesterday's investing analysis. Stablecoin rate of change now again increasing massively. This indicates your money flow is entering your stablecoins inside your crypto. When money enters your stablecoins, they do inject liquidity in the market to buy Bitcoin or to buy other stuff, which makes your prices go higher. The derivatives rally is now led by spot. Good thing to see. Wanna see it maintain its position in this specific quadrant. The funding rates for Bitcoin is sharply neutral or slightly positive, but you can see all over is if you compare this fundings with the previous bear market fundings in 2023, you can see we still have worst funding since then, which indicates we are really close to a bottom, but this can do some chop around this area, some mess around this area before it continues higher to test these specific zones, right? So I'd probably call out we are really very close to form a bottom, really close, but give it some time, lower your expectations. Similarly, the fundings on weekly time frame is now again slightly positive, but this is something which a lot of shorts are accumulating inside this area, which can send your prices higher in the medium term. Keep eyes on it. As for the shorter term, really shorter term stuff, I do expect this one I brought up, the cross sectional liquidation maps. This is the worst it can go till 65,600 or till 66,000, right? So it's slightly biased downside. This is the worst case scenario for at the moment, right? So keep eyes on it. Otherwise, the 30-day as well, the 90-day cross-sectional liquidation maps are pretty much symmetrical. Nothing to be concerned on higher time frames cross-sectional maps, right? So I would probably say give it some room, give it some time to give you a good trade opportunity. Limits are still active for BTC for scalp. I'll be updating the trade inside my Twitter. So that's enough for today. Thanks for watching.